आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have if ABC are the vertices of a triangle ABC, then prove the sine rule, that is A by sine A equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C. Now what we have here is, we have a triangle ABC, so first let's draw our triangle. So now suppose this is my triangle, this is the triangle I have, this is A, this is B and this is C. Now let draw the perpendicular here. Now let this perpendicular as H. So this height as H. Now let this side as A, small a, this side as small b and this side as small c. Right? So in triangle ABC, we have two triangles, right? First of all, we have what? We have in triangle A, now let this point as T, in triangle ADC, what we have in triangle ADC, if I say what is the value of sine C? So as we already know that the sine C is given by perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so this value is H by B. So from here I can say this is B sine C. This is B sine C. Now in similar way, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, my angle B is sine B is what? My angle B is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is H by C. So from here I can say H is equals to sine B into C. Now this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. If you equate the value of equation 1 and 2, you will get B sine C equals to C sine B. It means we have sine C by C equals to sine B by B. Now if you reciprocate, you will get C by sine C equals to B by sine B. Now in similar way, if we draw perpendicular of height, right, let me draw the perpendicular on AC, right, this is the perpendicular on AC and this length is P, right. Now in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, we have in triangle BAC, what we have now in this triangle BAC, let this point as E. So in triangle BAE, not BAC, let me write it here, this is BAE. Now in triangle BAE, we have this length is P and this base is AE, right? So I can say BE upon BA will be what? BE upon BA. BE upon BA, that is equals to sine A, right? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is sine A. So we have here this as sine A. Now the length of BE is P and the length of BA is C. So I can write P as C into sine A. Now let this equation number 3. Now in similar way, in triangle BEC, what we have? In triangle BEC, we have BE upon BD equals to sine C. BE upon BD. BEC, BE upon BC, not BD, equals to sine C. Now the length of B is P, which I have assumed, and BC as A. So this is the value of P is A sine C. Now this has equation number 4. On comparing equation 3 and 4, we get C sine A equals to A sine C. Now from here I can say, what I can say? From here I can say the value of sine A by A equals to sine C by C. Now this is my equation number 5. Now sin C by C is also equals to sin B by B. Sin C by C but is also equals to sin B by B. So from this we can say that sin A by A equals to sin B by B equals to sin C by C. Right? Now if I reciprocate it, then we have A by sin A equals to B by sin B equals to C by sin C. And that is what we need to prove. And this is my final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।